Welcome to topic 5 in our commercial law series. Today we'll focus on the sale of goods, looking at how contracts for goods operate, implied terms, and the remedies available under the law. The Sale of Goods Act governs contracts involving goods. Section 4, subsection 2 provides that common law continues to apply unless inconsistent with the Act. Importantly, certain ACL guarantees override provisions in the Goods Act. Under Section 6, a sale of goods occurs where the seller transfers or agrees to transfer ownership of goods to the buyer. The Goods Act 1958 is the key statute in Victoria regulating these transactions. The Act distinguishes between specific goods identified at the time of contract and unascertained goods, which are not. This distinction is crucial because it affects when ownership passes from seller to buyer. The Act implies several conditions into contracts. These include the seller's right to title, goods matching their description, merchantable quality, and fitness for purpose. Leading cases like Roland versus Daival and Grant versus AKM illustrate these principles very well. Have a look at this case laws. Goods must be of merchantable quality and fit for the disclosed purpose. Buyers can rely on the seller's skill unless defects are obvious or the purchase is made under a patent name. These limitations balance fairness between buyer and seller. When goods are sold by sample, the bulk must correspond to that sample. Buyers must have the chance to compare, and goods must be free from hidden defects that make them unmerchantable. While Section 61 allows exclusion of implied terms, the ACL restricts this in consumer contracts. This highlights the stronger protection under consumer law compared with the Goods Act. Both sellers and buyers have remedies under the Goods Act. Sellers may sue for price or exercise their lien, while buyers may reject goods, seek damages, or even obtain specific performance under Section 58. That concludes topic 5 on sales of goods. Always remember, connect statutory provisions with key cases to show depth of understanding in exams. Good luck. See you in the next lesson.